Pictographs. Pictographs can help overcome literacy barriers by communicating safety messages with pictures. The U.S. Fire Administration has created and tested a wide range of pictographs to communicate fire and life safety messages designed for you to share with your high-risk populations. Along with pictographs, we provide templates to help you create flyers, door hangers, posters, and banners to use in your community. Get started today. Here's how. Go to www.usfa.fema.gov and search Pictographs. Download and save to your computer a pictograph sequence or individual images that you would like to use. Download a template and open it. Title your material. Select an image icon and follow the directions to add an image. Customize your material at the bottom with your organization's logo and website, email, or social media address. Now you can share your personalized materials with your community.